we're here with Mr. Sutton, actually the person who introduced us all to Dr. Zugin. Mr. Sutton, it's so nice to have you, and we thank you so much for introducing us to Dr. Zugin.
Thank you.
I know that you've been on a quest for health, and you are really healthy and great shape. Would you tell everybody just a little bit about how you did that, why you did that, and how you found Dr. Zugin?
It would be a pleasure. I came here in 1978 out of the military, and I was in very good condition. But over the next year or so, working very hard, a lot of stress, I felt my body kind of wearing out, actually. And right on that time, we had a gentleman come down from New Orleans, Louisiana, and he was going to be the one who did our tennis court. And I thought Jack was around 45 years old, and the gentleman was 60. So I said to him, where do you get all this energy? How do you do this? And he said, well, I take a multivitamin. And he referred me to a particular kind, and the thing was the size of a quarter, like a horse pill. And so a number of years, I took that pill. And then one day I found this place called Life Extension Foundation up in Fort Lauderdale. So I went into there, that company, and started taking their supplements. And over the years, I felt better, I felt good, but I kept thinking, I'd read an article and I'd say, oh, I need this because my eyes aren't too good. Oh, I need that because I'm having this little problem here. And pretty soon, I was taking 76 pills a day. Nothing prescription, but all self-medication from my own idea. And then I started feeling not as good as I had become. And so I realized that I was approaching an older age, so now the age was overcoming what I was taking. Excuse me. So one day I was in the LEF office, and a friend of mine there introduced me to Dr. Zugin. And he listened to me right quick, and he said, we need to balance your hormones. So today, again, I take no prescription drugs. I'm down to 33 pills a day. I just had my stress test in Florida. I did 12 minutes and I'm 76 years old. And the doctor looked at me and said, wow, not 50% of people who come in here who are 35 do that, let alone someone your age. So I feel good, I'm happy, and it all is back to balancing my hormones. My wife had the same problem. When she went through menopause, she absolutely became a wreck. Her hair was falling out, she had hot flashes, she was irritable, couldn't sleep. Dr. Zugin spoke to her. In fact, he looked at her before he ever did anything. He says, you're losing your hair, you're doing this, you're doing that. And she was amazed. A month or so later, and today, after many years, she is healthy and happy, and I'm the same. So I recommend to you, look at having your hormones balanced with the natural hormones. Hormones get a lot of bad name because people take these synthetic ones. And if you know anything about patents, you could not patent a bioidentical hormone. You must take that molecule and change it. Just one little molecule will allow you to patent it. Big difference. But when you change that molecule, that product, that element, works in your body as the natural one. So you need to look at bioidentical.
Again, I'd like to thank you, Mr. Sutton, for not only bringing Dr. Zugin to us, but everything you brought to us here at the Royal Resorts family. We're a very happy family here. We like to live life, laugh, love, and definitely take lots and lots of vacation.